How to add bank account in Binance. Now, in order to do this, you just simply need to open your Binance application at very first. And after that, you will get to see these three bars into the top left corner. Simply tap into that, and after that, you will get gear option into the top right corner. Tap into that one. Now, after going into here, you will get to see this option of payment into here. Now you just simply need to tap into this payment methods option in order to add your bank account in Binance. Now, in order to add your bank account, you will get to see this option of P2P payment methods. Just simply select this one, and after that you will get this option to add payment method. Now, what you have to do is just tap to this add a payment method option, then verify your account if you haven't, because you cannot do it without verifying your account. And after doing this, you are going to see the list of the payment methods that is available. Bank account option